القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. Welcome to lesson number 9. In this lesson you will be learning about the diminutive alif, waw and ya. So the diminutive alif, waw and ya. This is the continuation of the med lesson. There are many types of med in the Quran. This is one of these, so inshallah we'll be continuing with them. Okay, so as mentioned in lesson number 3, there are 3 letters of elongation in the Arabic language. They are alif, waw and ya. These 3 letters are known as the elongation letters as they follow the elongation of the haraka. The haraka being the fatha, and the elongation letter of that is what? If you said is the alif, then you're correct. And then you have the dhamma, and the elongation letter of that is what? If you said the waw, then well done. And then you have the kasra, and the elongation letter of that is what? If you said the ya, then well done. Okay, so the elongation, they follow the elongation of the harakat. They are the 3 natural vowels of the Arabic language, so the alif, waw and ya. And the writing of the Quran also possesses these 3 med letters in a lessened diminutive form for different reasons, which will be discussed in the Tajweed course. So in the Tajweed course, which is level 2, this is level 1, you will be taught about the different reasons as to why they may occur. For now, they will be taught as the diminutive alif, waw and ya. Okay, so one of the reasons for these med is to save space in the writing of the Quran, and the other is that this is how the Quran was written by the companions of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now, this is the reason. We should have no other reason except to accept this, except this is how it has been passed down to us by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by the Sahaba. Okay, so they wrote it in this form, and therefore we have to take it. One of the, and I will tell you this is more Quranic sciences, but one of the proofs of, or one of the conditions in fact of the Quran is that it must follow the writing as was passed down to us, exactly the same writing as the writing given to us by Uthman radiallahu anhu. See, there was many compilations of the Quran done, but is the writing of Uthman radiallahu anhu, which is the authoritative one, which we take the authoritative one, excuse my language, that we take, and that has the Quranic writing has to follow that same writing, otherwise we cannot take it as the Quran. Anyway, coming on to the point in question, see, there are 3 med, or the diminutive med are divided into 3 categories. So the alif, for example, it can be on the ya shape, and they can be an alif. So this is classified as a sound, We can see with this ba with this ya shape, but there's an alif. This alif here, it'll be read as ba, ba, ba. Okay, it's known as the alif maqsura, but you don't need to worry about that for now. All you need to know is that when you see this ya shape with the alif on top of it, small alif, then this means that there's a med, and that is ba or ta or whatever it may be. Okay, so the diminutive shape for the ya, okay, is this ya shape over here. Now my apologies, but with the Arabic keyboard, this doesn't come on the Arabic keyboard, so I had to cut and paste this from a different place. So we can see that this is the shape. This is the shape that you need to see. Inshallah, you will see here that it will be a bit more clearer for you. Okay, but anyway, here we've got the ha, the kasra, and then we've got one of these ya here, and that is the same as this ya. So where's the ha with the kasra and this med is he. It's exactly the same as if it was a ha and then a ya. This is exactly the same as if there was a ba, fatha and then alif. Okay, and then waw, the diminutive med for waw is a small waw. Okay, so it's a very small waw that occurs afterwards, and we can say it's woo, woo, woo. Okay, so it's very clear. Now, there are different ways that this alif can be written. If we have a look here, that in the middle of this word, you've got a small alif. You've got a small alif there, and it occurs, and that is also a mad. Bil kafirin, bil kafirin. You can hear the stretch in that. Kafirin. Alright, so it can occur, and this normally occurs in the middle of a word, normally after the first letter. So when we say the first letter, there's the alif lam. Okay, alif lam. So this is, of course, this is a perfect example. You've got the al-qamariya letter. Ba is being joined onto the lam, and then the first letter is the kaf, and then after that, this is supposed to be an alif there, but for diminutive purposes, they have written it here like that. And this is how it was written by Uthman radhiyallahu anhu, and this is how we take it. Okay, so inshallah, you can see this is the practice that we will be doing, and we will do that in the next video.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically, so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this, and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.